Do you know how to choose the best garment machine provider? The providers help garment factories to automatize the factories and reduce cost. In this digital age, many industries choose remote working system, data collection, and log information into the machines. OSHIMA offers a variety of IoT-enabled machines that can connect with other machines and share data. Factory managers can use the data to optimize the production process, save time and money, and high-quality products. Smart machines are equipped with ERP system. OSHIMA is constantly investing in research and developing the industry. Therefore, soon, we will be launching AI-enabled machines. But, what are the garment machines? The machines are used by textile manufacturers, in which includes spreading, cutting, inspection, fusing machines, and many more. What are the benefits? Compared to manual labor, the machines can endure hot environments and doesn't get tired as the factory workers. They are also capable of producing large quantities of products. Globalization has increased the demand without compromising the quality. Consequently, the machines increase accuracy, reduce labor, and increase production capacity. How to choose the best garment machine provider? A provider has to take into account the type of factory and the specific production requirements. Also, the providers have to be ready to answer questions and provide information. You have to look for a provider that is professional and informative, innovative, one-stop shop, and offers after-sales service. A machine is a big investment. OSHIMA has a range of machines and the experience, which make us the first option in the garment production.